Today trying a different mic, changed up the lighting a little bit, and I'm bringing you my top 5 best accessories for your car. Number 1, you need this. It's called the Drop Stop. This was on Shark Tank if I remember correctly. I thought it was a gimmick, but it has saved me countless times of French fries, of quarters, of keys, of glasses, so many things falling down the side of my chair. Number 2, we got this awesome new car mount that's for your cup holder. I really like this one from Anker. It's adjustable to any cup size, and that's my favorite part about it. It's super easy to put in the cup holder and take out when I want to go get a few Chick-fil-A lemonades. This phone holder's been one of the most sturdy that I've tried so far, and I found out that I actually really like the placement of it compared to when something's up on my dashboard, just kind of bothering my eyesight because I'd rather listen to directions than keep staring at it while I'm driving. I love the super flexible gooseneck arm, and I really like how sturdy this arm is because I've tried many types of mounts like this gooseneck arm, and they always tend to droop over time. Number 3, we got this new Anker portable battery pack, and I love this one because it has a built-in wireless charging pad right at the top of it, USB-C. It's perfect. It's just the right amount of size, thinness, and battery life. Number 4, this crate is like a magic crate that you need. It folds down super tiny and flat, and it also pops right up like a pop crate, and you can hold so much stuff in it. I always have this in my trunk. And that 5th and final accessory I highly recommend is a GoPro. Doesn't matter which one, an older GoPro, a newer GoPro, and of course they all come with different mounts, and sure, I can add on to the top 5 accessories by recommending mounts, but I will just leave it at get a GoPro. Because I don't think dash cams are necessary, but having a GoPro just to have that recording of whenever you're driving somewhere and then you get home, you don't really need that footage anymore, delete it. You don't need a live dash cam. Just remember to hit record. And I love the wide field of view of GoPros, and you don't have to just buy a dash cam that's only used for your car. What's cool is you can take your GoPro on tons of adventures. You can use it for while you're recording like a dash cam while you're driving in your car, or you can get some creative shots with it and actually use it on vacations, on trips, road trips, etc. So I think a GoPro is an awesome 5th accessory for your car. This is just a fun little video that I thought of because I've been watching a lot of Shark Tank, and recently I just dropped the 90,000th French fry almost down the side of my chair in my car, and I just said, I think people need to know about this. Obviously, Drop Stop's doing really well, and so are a lot of these other accessories I'm recommending, but these are my personal 5 that I really recommend, that I like using, and I hope you'll try out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and notification gang, love you forever.